Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be looking to move your Shiba Inu SHIB tokens from Bitrue Exchange to Trust Wallet for better security and control. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step. It's simpler than you think, and by the end, you'll feel like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both Bitrue and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device. If you don't have Trust Wallet yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play and set up a new wallet. Once that's done, open Trust Wallet and navigate to the SHIB token. This is where you'll find your wallet address. Tap on it and copy it to your clipboard. Pro tip: double check that you're on the correct network, like Ethereum, since SHIB runs on that blockchain. Now, hop over to the Bitrue app or website and log in to your account. Head to the Wallets or Assets section and find your SHIB balance. Next, look for the Withdraw button next to SHIB. Paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the withdrawal form. Don't forget to select the right network. Ethereum is key here to avoid any lost funds. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. This step is crucial to prevent mistakes, like sending to the wrong address, which could mean goodbye to your SHIB forever. Once you're sure, click Withdraw and wait for the confirmation email or on-screen notification from Bitrue. Finally, switch back to Trust Wallet and refresh your balance. You should see your SHIB tokens arrive shortly, depending on network speed. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your assets. Remember, always keep your private keys secure and never share them. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages for both platforms. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.